Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's Sean from Styler 24/7. In today's video, I wanted to talk you all through some of my favorites that I've been gravitating to during the year of 2023. Some I have shown on my channel and others I have not. So without further ado, let's get started. The first piece is from Louis Vuitton. This is a crossbody, and I really love this leather crossbody, especially for traveling, because this is one that I can fit everything in: my passport, keys, hand creams, makeup, if I want to do touching up in the bathrooms at the airport, because I travel a lot for a living. And I really do love this crossbody because it's durable. If something spills on it, I can easily wipe it off. And these are some of the things that I look for when I'm purchasing my luxury handbags, because I'm looking for durability, I'm looking for longevity and ease of ownership. So that's what I get with this Louis Vuitton crossbody, and I absolutely love it. And even the strap is thick enough where if the bag gets heavy, it's still not uncomfortable having it across the shoulders, because typically when you have something that's much smaller, it's going to really dig into the skin. This is a substantial size in width, so that I'm not dealing with it being uncomfortable when I'm walking through the airports or even running my day-to-day errands. Another purchase that I really love is the Datejust from Rolex. I think I talked about this on one of my earlier videos, but this watch is just a really good quality watch. I love that it's not in your face, audacious, where people are, going to have their curiosity piqued and probably not in the right way. I love that this watch is timeless, it's classic, and it goes with a lot of my wardrobe. So it's really versatile. Now, I've also had these pieces for a while. These are from David Yurman. They're absolutely lovely, and they do give longevity and durability. Now, they're not my everyday pieces like my Tiffany pieces that I can do to run errands or, just go out and travel in. These are pieces that I wear when I'm home in LA. I bought these from the David Yurman on Rodeo Drive, which is one of the places that I frequent to buy my luxury items. And what I love about David Yurman is he's giving us something different and unique with, his fine jewelry, and you don't find that a lot. So I definitely say, if you haven't tried out David Yurman, go into a boutique, see what they have, and really just try on a few pieces so you can definitely see what I mean. All right, going into the world of Valentino, I have to say that I really love my Valentino earrings. These are just a standout, and it elevates every single look. Another earring that really kind of lock arms with that are my earrings from Chanel. I have the classic CCs, I have the drop CCs. I also have the earrings that says Chanel, and they're in those beautiful rhinestones on each side of my ear. Every time I wear those earrings, I always get a lot of compliments. And I know people talk about fashion jewelry not being sustainable, but if you really keep them in the little jewelry bags and in the boxes and only taking them out when you're going to wear them, I highly recommend you checking them out. Now, I know that Chanel, I think they've discontinued their classic CCs from what one of the boutiques told me, but I will tell you all, I've had my classic CCs, the one in caviar leather and rhinestone, for 4 years, and my classic CCs that are the larger size, I've had those for a while. So I have no regrets with those earrings. One of my regret purchases, there's just one, and that is the jumbo from Chanel in this white color. You all, I don't like this bag. I think it's the color, because it doesn't go with a lot in my closet. I have tried to make this work, and I think I was able to make it work with one outfit. Even with me just wearing an all black, it just doesn't do anything to lift the outfit. Of course, I'm going to play around with textures and colors and maybe bring this bag back in. But to tell you the truth, this is just one of those bags that I actually regret buying. The one that I really do love is this red one from Chanel. I've showed this a ton, and also this black one, which is a new purchase for me. I also, in the realm of bags, love the YSL Uptown Clutch. This is an absolute favorite for me as well. Those are my favorites. Now let's move on to some ready-to-wear. Ready-to-wear items that I don't regret are these YSL leggings that are high shine. They are absolutely beautiful. The maintenance is up there. in price, but I will tell you that every time I wear this, it elevates every outfit. And I always get asked, where did I get these pants from? They were a pretty penny, but I will say that they have lasted me a very long time, and I have no regrets with this buy. I wore it to New York Fashion Week last New York Fashion Week, and again, just a lot of compliments and elevates a look, especially when you're wearing a blazer or an oversized button down and bringing in like a bandeau or some leather piece across the bodies. It is just absolutely glorious. You all would absolutely love these leggings if you go into Saint Laurent. All right, and next up is the Givenchy blazer. This tuxedo blazer I've talked about a lot on my channel. I really love this blazer. This goes with everything, and I can level this up. If I'm wearing something casual, it would automatically level it up. This is one that's timeless, it's classic, it's gonna last me a long time. I take care of it with putting it in the cleaners. You don't wanna mess around with your ready-to-wear, throwing it in the wash if it's not requiring being washed. I highly recommend putting your ready-to-wear in the cleaners so that you're not, you know, going through your ready to wear after you've spent a pretty penny. And I have two scarves that I want to talk about. One is from Johnny Coda from Making the Cut. I really love his store. It's in the Fashion District in Los Angeles, California. This scarf is just one that gets a lot of compliments. You can wear it as a dress, you can wear it as a skirt, you can wear it as a scarf around the neck. It is just one of those standout pieces because of the print. And this is one that you can actually throw in the wash and put it on delicate cycle. Next up is this beautiful scarf from Hermes. I really love this scarf. I've showed this on earlier videos. Hermes is just one of those standout brands to me. I love the quality. I love the craftsmanship. I love that pieces are different and unique and not a lot of people have them. And that's what I look for too as a content creator. Yes, I'll show you some things that are popular, but I really do like bringing in unique pieces that no one else has, that's not so mainstream, because that gets boring when you see every content creator with the same thing. So changing it up, I love to go to different luxury houses and see what else they have other than what I'm always seeing on social media. And this scarf is the 140. It has a lot of vibrant color. I actually ordered a suit that is a colored, like a colorful suit. And I can't wait to bring this scarf into play and style this up. And going after a colorful suit is just different for me. So yes, but this is one that I have gravitated to a lot in 2023. Valentino. I absolutely love Valentino for their jewelry, for their ready-to-wear, for their shoes. And I love these shoes. They're slingbacks and they are super duper comfortable. They have a kitten heel to them. They go with any look. They make things look classy and effortless and very chic. And this is a timeless color because it's beige, it's a neutral. So if you wear something colorful, you can bring that in. If you wear something that is just very neutral, you can bring it in. It's just a versatile shoe. So that's why I found myself gravitating to this so much during this year. Another shoe that I've been loving is these from Amina Mawadi. Again, another standout. You can wear an all red outfit and put this shoe on, it pops. You wear something that's, I have a retro fade blazer that has silver buttons on it. I put these shoes on and it pops. It is just a really great shoe. Again, a kitten heel that's not too high. Of course, when we're being fashionable, we want to be comfortable. At least if you're like me, you don't want to fidget around, you don't want to limp around. You want to be super duper comfortable. And that's what these shoes give me. Another really great shoe is these Saint Laurent opium heels. I've worn these out, you all. I love these shoes so much because they're 80 mm's and I've blow dried across the patent leather strap across the toe. That's given me the stretch, and that's what made these comfortable for me. I've worn these to the past 2 fashion weeks. It is just one that elevates a look. It is very art-like, and what I love is a great conversation starter because people don't see these shoes a lot, at least not in the circles that I've been. So I always get asked questions about these shoes, and again, they're just one that will elevate even a casual look. If you're wearing jeans and a white button down or jeans and a tank like this and put those shoes on, it's a standout. It really is. Another pair of shoes that you all have seen on my Instagram when I'm traveling is the Saint Laurent tennis shoes. These are just chic. And what's great is that you can change out the lacings. Either you can go for pink or you can go for white. They will have it in the box. So sometimes I change out the lacings to white, but other times I like to keep it pink because it just stands out. But it's clean, it's effortless, it's easy for me to, maintain. It's not one that gets dirty quickly, and that's what I really love about these shoes. And they weren't that expensive for me, so I really love that too. The price point was at a really reasonable price. For this next segment of the video, I'm super excited because I'm going to take you on a journey to see my luxury fragrances as well as some of my makeup recommendations that you all have been asking me about. So I figured I'll throw in some makeup in this video. Hope you enjoy. It's not patchy. It goes on beautifully with fingers or with brushes, and it's easy to manipulate. And that's what we look for when it comes to eyeshadows. We don't want it to be patchy. We want to get pigment. We want it to wear all day long. That's what you're getting from this. So there's the benefits with having this palette. The only downside is the fallout. The Aqua Foundation from Kogendo. I love this foundation for an everyday look when I'm running errands. If I just want a minimal amount of coverage, that's what I'm getting from this. And even if I wanted to take photos during my, running around, and sometimes we do impromptu photos as a content creator, sometimes you do that, lifestyle photos. This is really great for that because it's camera ready makeup, not a full coverage foundation. It is buildable, but not to like a Gucci or it's another full coverage, a Huda Beauty. The first one is my Tom Ford Forbidden Pink. As you can see, I've gone crazy in these shimmer shades. They are absolutely beautiful. My Tom Ford Contour Palette in Intensity 3. I am in love with these palettes. I find myself digging in these a ton when I need to contour, when I need to contour my lips, when I need to shimmer to my eyes, if I wanted just a monocolor. Yes, Gucci's bronzer. This is so beautiful. It is flawless going on. It is highly ranked on Sephora. This is really great to blend out color. It is so great to warm up the skin if you're a deeper skin tone. It just stays on all day. As you can see, I still have this sun-kissed glow to me. It is just a really great palette. And if days that I don't want to do a contour, I can do what I call a dry contour and just contour my nose with this, and it is just absolutely lovely. Today, I'm just wearing it as a flush of color in my transition area. And this is just, it lasts all day. It's such a great formula, and I hope Gucci never changes it. I've been into red shades lately. This Hermes lipstick in number 66. It is so good. It lasts all day. It is flawless. It is a bright red that is not overdone. It goes on smooth. It glides on like butter. It feels so velvety and nice on the lips. Jane Scarlett from Gucci used to be my go-to red. I still love that red, but I have to rank my Hermes number 66 as definitely number 2. Mugler Angel Elixir. This bottle is absolutely beautiful. It was gifted. I fell in love with this fragrance on the tail end of 2023. This is a really great one. There's patchouli, peppercorn, pink peppercorn. There's jasmine in here, bergamot, vanilla, and musk. It is just a really great fragrance. Maison Francis Kurkdjian 724. The 724 is absolutely amazing. This has bergamot, it has jasmine, it has amberette, musk. It is such a good fragrance that is so underrated and not a lot of people talk about it. And I enjoy this more than my Baccarat Rouge 540, to be 100% honest, in my opinion. I also love to layer this with my Baccarat Rouge 540 body oil that has the shimmer in there. It is a sweet combination. It's absolutely lovely for nights when you're going out on the town. Like for New Year's, I probably would wear those two together because it's such a great combination. This is for the woman that is confident in her sex appeal. She is embracing every part of her femininity, and her fragrance is announcing her entrance. That is what this is giving you. This is a fragrance that is not offensive, even though it is intense and will last on you for 24 hours. No joke. That's how long it lasts on me. It has blackcurrant and rose, violet, patchouli, and musk. Patchouli is my favorite note, and I will tell you all, this fragrance makes not only you feel good in your skin, it also makes the people who get whiff of your sillage enjoy you. Parfum de Mali de Lina Exclusive. Oh my goodness, friends. This fragrance, hands down, if I had to visually describe it, Love Shack Fancy. It's soft, it's feminine, it's classy. It's for that type of characteristic of woman, right? When I say soft, I don't mean soft as in the smell. I mean soft as in the characteristic of woman that would wear this. My boyfriend, my husband. She's not afraid to let her man take charge. That's what I love about Parfum de Mali Exclusive. I wear this when I'm doing solo date nights. I wear this when I'm going out with friends. Whether we're going to an upscale restaurant or if we're going to an opera or some kind of upscale event, that's when I grab this. When I'm wearing like a very feminine outfit, something very flowy, Parfum de Mali makes me really embrace my feminine energy. So may your 2023 be full of favorites and lots of laughs, and also your bank account in overflow. I hope you all enjoyed the video and all of my favorites that I've been gravitating to throughout the entire year of 2023. Be blessed, be safe, and be kind to one another. And I'll see you all in the new year. Mwah.